Yes, I can see.
So I like since we planned for 10 days crash course, I'll just refresh and I'll go first lab straight away. Okay.
Okay, sure.
So the first
Uh,
concept, yeah.
can I maybe just interfere 1 second? Like, company code creation, company chart of accounts creation, and then, field status variants, and the basic configuration I have already done. So apart from that, like, the main concepts, like, say, he didn't cover yet the uh, parallel ledgers, I mean, like an extension ledger or non-leading leading ledgers,
See, like,
and
see,
all that stuff.
while doing lab, without flow,
Uh-huh.
how do I do? Without company code, I can go. How correct?
Yeah, you
That's it.
can. But I am saying, like,
Okay, okay,
because you put it as enterprise structure, I'm just saying, like, you need
okay,
not
okay,
cover company code and all.
okay.
But rest of them you can, yes. Yeah.
Can I see my screen now?
Yes. Yeah.
So I'll take the example of Cisco. I'm going to create for Cisco. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
So I'm just going to take only one company and one company code. Okay.
Okay. Uh, if you would like to use the existing one, you can take SSMT. That's the company code which I created, and except for the GL accounts,
My
basic
server is
stuff.
different. No, no, my server is different. Yours is different.
Okay. All right. I think Pallavi dropped off. It says
Okay,
the
okay.
session will end soon. Sundar, are you talking? I
No,
can't hear you.
no,
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't. You said you know everything, so I'm just doing it directly.
Ah, no, no, because it is showing as if like your audio is on, but
So I finished company code plant. Okay,
Mhm.
I'll go for the business area and segments.
Okay. So I didn't see any change in these, like, business areas or consolidation business areas or like, other company code group company and other stuff. So what Hassan told me is there is a difference in functional areas, but if I see functional areas also seem like, the same. So is there a difference there at functional
Yes,
areas?
I'll show you.
Okay.
Like we have to create separate functional areas, and you have to create separate credit control. Also, you can say like we need to have separate credit control areas.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Clear? OB, we have to do OB 45 and OB 34 also. That's for which one? It's a part of. It'll be here actually.
Sorry, what is it?
It's a part of enterprise. It'll be here. So you can see here. You can use. It'll be here. Enterprise structures here.
Uh-huh. Okay.
You can do here. Financial. You can see company. Everything will be a business area. So segments. If you want to do segments, you can do directly here also. You enter. I can
Oh,
just click on segment.
okay. Mm-hmm.
Segment is equivalent in controlling.
Mm-hmm. But segments were there earlier as well, right? For the new GL.
No, that was business area, not segment.
No, I mean,
Both are
no,
different. Both are
uh,
different. Segment is different. Business areas are different.
no, I mean to say the classical new GL also had segments, right?
No. So I'll create credit control area also. I'll take,
Mhm.
I'll just give some limit, some $10,000. I'll make
Mhm.
it for all company codes.
Okay. Also, I have a query on the posting period variants as well because I read when I was going through the ECCS for HANA differences theory.
Uh,
One place it said like because now the cost elements are created within the GL accounts. There is a further space given in posting period variants where you can allocate for the cost postings as well, so instead of controlling we directly post with the GL now, right?
See, the
So
actual difference is the mail. Here is the actual mail difference. FS00 they've added difference. In the old version, what happens is you'll have only two options. You'll have only here you have only
yeah, so now the cost elements revenue secondary and primary cost
yes,
elements also we can create via GL accounts, so
yes.
that I am clear.
Here we have only two accounts here. We have in ECC we have only two options. You have PL and
Correct.
balance sheet. Yeah,
Correct. So
and,
now my
and
question is,
for cost you have to create separate. You have to use code separately here. Whereas in HANA, what they have done is straight away they have added the controlling here.
yeah, yeah. So that GL account part I am clear. I'm talking about the posting periods. So because like you are posting
Posting
even
method
the
says posting but I think there's no difference. More or less it's same. So here it is.
okay,
Yes, it's balance. I'll just show you now. I think there's no difference here. Here it's balance
okay.
sheet. Here it is. There's no PL. It's income statement here. Then they've added cash. They've added and they've added.
So in controlling we can post them separately as well earlier, but now we have
But
to
it
use
is
the same
yes.
posting periods, adjustment periods, and everything will
Straight
be
away
same.
here. Yes. That
Uh-huh.
code should not work here.
Okay.
These codes here. This code should not work here actually. In HANA,
Uh-huh.
it will not work. This codes.
Okay.
For example, KA01.
Mm-hmm.
See, it will not work. There you have to use KA01, KA02, KA03, KA04 and all. Here it will not work. Straight away you can use only FS00. That's the main difference.
Mm-hmm.
So here actually they've added everything together. HANA straight away. Here you have to use KA01 and do.
Mm-hmm.
So I've done the basic enterprise. Now I'll go for the financial requirements. So I'll start with chart of accounts.
Mm-hmm.
So then that take max 10. Group no need. I'll just take a single example. Coming to the OB290 here.
Mhm.
Same, you can just give anything. I'll take some example. I'll take some comma zero. I'll take Jan to December US. So I'll give normal print will be 12. Special I'll add 4 here.
Okay.
So I'll take 1 January. I'll take 31. I'll take current will be 0. I'll take.
Mhm.
So I've taken Jan to December. Okay.
Mhm.
So English I'll take 12 periods. So I'll take something like JD Jan to December. No save it. See, nothing changed. Same. Okay.
Mhm.
So the number just come here. Country. Yes. So if you want to add a functional area, I can add it. Just save here. If you
Mhm.
want to add, That's optional, it's not required. Suppose if you want to add here, see. So if you want to add, you can add here.
Okay. So what is the difference here, like, between ECC and S4? Like,
Nothing.
this,
Here nothing. There's no difference actually.
that's what,
No
because,
difference. Here nothing. Same different. Nothing.
so it's same assignment, like,
Yes. See,
the
actually, here
configurator.
and all still here nothing. Here and all it's common.
Mm-hmm.
See here. Here up to this, everything is this is nothing. No difference. The main difference is actually one is this menu.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, here they have taken. There you have two options. You have
Mm-hmm.
financial accounting new. You here that's directly financial accounting.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
That's the main difference here first actually.
Mm-hmm.
Enterprise
So
nothing. It is
which
common.
means which means new GL is mandatory.
Yes. So
Okay.
it's, instead of saying as new jewel, it's a part of financial accounting. It's a part of new jewel. There, they're given two.
Mm-hmm.
FA is financial accounting is old. Financial
Mm-hmm.
accounting new is GL. So here,
That's good.
FA means it's a part of new GL.
Right. Okay. Mm-hmm.
It's here. So you can just you can see here. It'll be here. See, this is actually new GL. Direct link.
Yeah. Mhm. So they can't use anymore the old GL,
Correct.
financial
Correct.
GL system.
Correct.
Now it's
Yes.
mandatory. Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So only what is that? This is step I'll show you extra. I would add here actually. Just go
Mm-hmm.
here, go to financial accounting, choose financial accounting global settings,
Okay.
choose ledgers,
Mm-hmm.
ledger, copy them on this one. This is a big
Mm-hmm.
change actually.
Okay.
Note the menu correctly. Financial accounting global settings.
Okay.
Under that ledger,
Mm-hmm.
you have to define settings for ledger and currency types.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So this will activate your standards. So whichever you're going to follow, if you're going to follow IFRS, gap means gap.
Okay.
Select this, confirm it.
Mm-hmm.
See here, I told you we have different options. Gap, IFRS. Just execute this. Now watch
Okay.
here. See, the OLS come here. Order list. Now you have to go here and you have to choose the currency conversion. Now you have to convert the currency here. What to do is, rather using the new currency, just take any example. Take a currency or a
Uh-huh.
company code, right click it, just copy it, or F6.
Is it like parallel currencies, you mean?
Yes, yes. See, it's come now. So this is mandatory here.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. See, this is not required in the ECC, but in HANA, this is mandatory. Only when you configure a currency here, you'll be able to post your balance sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Else, you'll have
How
an
mu-
error called universal error, not universal uh, ledger, universal journal entry error. So
Okay.
probably
So in ECC parallel currency settings, we used to have company code currency, group currency, and hard currency.
correct.
Here, how many currency types we have? The same
We have
three or an
same,
extra?
same, like
Same
hard,
three.
new, everything.
Mhm.
Not of this step correct. It's mandatory. This is the one everyone faces.
Um, so are we choosing each one for per ledger, or it is for every ledger, like these currencies? How are we selecting? Like here. Can you
Sorry?
scroll to the, is it ledger specific, or like, this is like, if I set up the parallel currencies, it is applicable for all
It will
ledgers?
be applicable for all.
All ledgers. Okay.
Yes. But if you're not configuring this, it will not work. You'll have an error.
Hmm.
Universal journal entry error.
Okay.
Something like
Can you scroll to the right a bit? Like what is there on the right side further in this screen? Yeah.
company code, company name, type of currency, and source currency.
Mm-hmm.
Then exchange rate, M, whatever you want.
Okay. Okay. So simultaneously it gets converted automatically, like
Yes,
whenever you post.
correct.
Okay.
So if this is actually, if you're not configuring, I'll show you. Actually this error, many of them face. Actually, it's called as. I'll show you.
Hmm.
Even so, in my case, I've already found the error, and I've solved. A lot of people are struggling here actually. People who are even expert in ECC, they get
Hmm.
this error and they ask us for guidance. I'll just
Hmm.
show you an error like what type of error it will be. This is called as universal journal error. See, so I just give it this
Sorry,
error.
what error is this?
I'll just give you.
Uh-huh.
It's called as the error name is universal journal entry.
Hmm.
It's because of the ledger and currency issues. So when I said just go to the financial module, ledger,
Hmm.
different settings. So for example, if you have
Okay.
a company code, just copy it. And here again, once again, check your principles, whether it is gap or IFRS, whatever it is.
Hmm.
Check that.
Okay.
Then choose oil, etc. No, do this.
Company code settings. Currency
Copy it.
conversion.
Not on this.
Okay, so company code assignment for the parallel currencies is not done, then it will give this error. Is that
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
This is a major issue every HANA they are facing actually, and they're struggling to
Okay.
print the balance sheet. So I had found the solution. This is the solution actually. Clear?
Okay. All right. Mhm. Just keep the screen like that. I'm just taking a
Sure.
screenshot
Of
because
course, I'm waiting. Okay. Yeah.
recording got stopped now. So I'll just take a screen print.
Is the recording stopped now? Huh?
Yeah, I told you right. Pallavi got dropped off. So
Well, like all session be recorded,
then
but you like
yeah, then I'll take it from the recording. No,
just
don't
go ahead.
worry. Then
All
I
session will
need
be
not
recorded.
take.
Yeah, all
Yeah,
sessions.
I wanted to take screenshots because of that only.
Okay. No issues. Because her requirement is not required, correct? So she'll join and she'll make me organizer. So once I'm done organizer, I have the full rights to record. See, it's
Okay,
going.
fine.
Just see, it's recording. You see.
Okay. No, it was showing an error earlier saying like, the session will exit in few minutes if the organizer doesn't join back. Then the recording was not showing as if it is recording. So I thought it got stopped. Okay.
No, no, no. So this is the major issue.
Change.
I found a solution for this actually. Clear?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's clear.
So you are doing which one? Finished. Is our one. Okay. Okay, first then we'll go for.
You said you will do chart of accounts and then the
Actually, then I'll go for. I'll do OBPO.
um
I'll finish posting period variance. I'll finish off.
okay. When you go to OB52, just hold on. Like I'll repeat my earlier query.
Sure, I'll show you.
Uh-huh.
So before you go to OB52, you need this thing.
Yeah, OBBO you do, and then when you are setting up the I mean periods, like the selection for your posting period variant. There I have a query actually. So we, I mean, in the other server, I have completed all this, like posting period variants, the field status variants, document types, and everything is done. Exchange rates, chart of accounts, these are all done. But then my query, he was not very clear, so I wanted to check with you. So
Yeah. Tell me now.
when you go into the OB52, so
Ah.
now here basically, like now we have extra account types as well, right? Like the primary costs and secondary costs
No, no,
along with
no.
the balance sheet
Here
entry.
nothing. Same. Here only it is
Yeah,
same.
yeah, I know, that's what I have seen this. But then, like, how you are going to post the secondary costs or primary costs if we
No, no,
don't
I
have?
can't post here. What I'll do is I'll just select plus here. That's it. When I do plus,
Uh-huh.
it'll
Uh-huh.
include all my accounts. For example, I'll just put here
Okay,
my.
so there are
I'm,
no separate postings
yes, no need
categories
here.
for
No
that.
need actually because the
Uh-huh.
posting will be done only in the FS00. So here I'll select all accounts.
All right. Okay. So when you use plus apart from the other accounts, by default the
Yes.
primary costs and secondary costs also get
Comes
posted. That is what you
exactly.
are.
So that's as
Okay.
smart as we do. We just take plus here. So I'll take
Okay.
from. So I'll make it 13 to. So I'll take current year 25.
So in general, like we have first period and second period, and in the third set we do the adjustment ones, 13 to
Correct.
16 periods.
Correct.
So is that the same now,
It's
or
same. It's same.
okay, fine. So there is another question here. There is an additional field, additional column for authorization group.
Correct.
So what is it used for?
For example, sometimes normally what happens,
Mhm.
some companies what they do is
Mhm.
they have issue. Like it depends on the rights. For example, some companies what they do is they say I want only what to say I want current year.
Mhm.
Some companies what they say is I want the entire thing century.
Mhm.
So what happens there? Here we normally what we do, I have to restrict my posting periods. Okay. So what I
Mhm.
do is this option. What I do here is see when I use this keyword, when I use OB52.
Are you showing the screen? It is blank.
No, no, I'm using my notepad. Are you able to see my
Ah,
notepad?
yeah, yeah, I can see
Ah,
notepad.
I'm just telling you what like exactly what is that meaning actually. See,
Uh-huh.
like what we do
Okay.
actually. Normally we do maintaining posting period variant. Correct?
Are you typing anything? Because it's
Yeah.
just a white blank sheet I am seeing.
No, I've already shared actually. Maybe it's slow for reaching. I think maybe check now.
Yeah, now I can see. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So in OB, like what we do actually, here the ARG means stands for authorization group actually.
Mhm.
The main purpose is it has two purposes. One, we can restrict controls. For example, like if you want to allow define different posting rules
Okay.
for different users,
Mhm.
I can use this. Then mainly for security,
Okay.
I want to increase your security. Like only, for example, when I give plus, everybody can access. But same when I give yes, only the GL can use. Correct?
Mhm.
See here, when I give plus, it means I can include all the accounts. Whereas when I want only the vendor, I can use K. So in that case, what I can do, I can have some security. So in that, which user can use what?
So basically, you are assigning user groups or whatever under that authorization, and
Can
only those people can
can
o-
access.
can access that
Yes.
particular account
Yes.
groups. Ah,
Correct.
okay. Mhm.
So normally in our case, we have two users. One will be general user. Second will be special user. We come under special user. Mostly the finance team they come under the special user
Uh-huh.
because the general user can only post.
Mm-hmm.
Only special team can post in the previous periods. The end user
Okay.
cannot use previous periods. Only the
Okay.
see we have two users. One is general user. Second is special user.
Mm-hmm.
General user can only post in the current period, whereas special mostly will be finance team.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
They have the rights to post in previous periods.
Okay.
So for that, they use auth2, AGR.
Mm-hmm.
Clear? Not on this.
So in the columns, you mean to say, like, for example, current period is April, but then
Correct.
you still keep like March to whatever,
Correct.
March to April, and then you assign some
So
employee
see,
group there.
in real, this is actually education. I'll just tell you normally what I do. In real
Mm-hmm.
time, what I do is I
Mm-hmm.
go here actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I give a name. For example, I'll just something like what I'll do, I'll just leave, let's save here. Okay, I'll
Mm-hmm.
not touch this. I'll create a new one. Okay, some random one,
Okay. Okay.
new name. Okay, so what I'll just show you what I do in our case.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I get a permission, what I do is okay, I'll just create one more BO.
Mm-hmm.
Something I'll just give some name, some ABB. So I'll not assign here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'll do is just I go here, OB52, BBB. So I'll take any account. So I'll just take one example. So what I do is I'll just give same like for example C001 I'll give. Okay. Save it. Okay. So what I do is, but normally for this rights, ABAP team has to give you. So we have a code called PFCG.
Mm-hmm. To find the transactions.
Yes. So here I go here. I
Mm-hmm.
find out who is the user
Mm-hmm.
as per the role. So
Okay.
under we have an option called you just select here also
Mm-hmm.
what role you are,
Okay.
and you can select whatever role they are under there. What are roles like normally like I can just go here. I can select options single role whether it's a single role or a multiple role type. I can select here whatever type I can see. Single row means normally it's not allowed actually here. So we select what type of roles here.
Mm-hmm.
So whether it's a under authorization, what type of role he comes. So normally what I do is I use accounting document will be there. Let's check. We have accounting document here. So here in our case we have a thing called F underscore BP KF underscore BUP. That's a accounting document actually.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually here it's not, since it's an educational, I think sometimes not allowed. Just for example, I'll just take one example here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
select the role. Okay,
Okay.
and press enter.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
The role is already exists. So like there you can add that role. For example, our case, what we do is we have a role called F underscore BKF
Mm-hmm.
underscore BUF. Okay, so here what you do is you look for this object. Okay, and enter the arg value. Here once you go here, it'll ask for the value, arg value. So whatever you created there, for example, we created a C001. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and what we do is we have option called AC01. So once this is done, what you should do is one you do KFCG. Go here.
Mm-hmm.
There you have to select the whatever user you want, user maintenance, whatever, like by address means address, mail address, profile, login. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
That user will come here.
Okay.
Okay, and that user you can assign. Clear?
Okay. So it may not be just single user, but an employee group as well,
Yes,
is
it
it?
can be single user, it can be composite, multiple.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So I'll just repeat like what you should do is first you have to start with OB52.
Mm-hmm.
In OB52, create a group there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then you have to do a code called
Role assignment for then you
PFC.
need to do the
Yes,
role assignment. Okay.
yes. There you have to check the role. Mostly in our case, we use this object mostly. Once it's done, you add that load. Then you have to go to the SE01, add it. Clear?
Okay.
This is the way we configure OB52. Clear?
Mm-hmm. And in real time, do we need to do it on our own, or like
No, no.
they all will be available?
Mostly it will be like in my case I am the ABAP, so I am doing. But normally this has to be given by rights. Has to be given by the ABAP team.
Right. Okay.
If the ABAP team, in case if the blueprint specifies the user, ABAP team will give you rights.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
In case if it is not there, you have to get rights from them. This configuration is uh, allowed only by the ABAP team.
Right. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So what we have finished till now, we have finished CSV. Okay, what is CSV? Okay, and then we have finished. Correct. We have to go for accounts to bidding rate. Okay. So let's chart of accounts. What is CSM? So I'll take some liability. Some number I'll take some 1,000 to 1,999. We might take some expense. Income I'll take. Purchase something like that. Shares I'll take. Rent I'll take, for example. Asset liability will take. Balance I'll put as miscellaneous.
Mm-hmm.
take some 3000 here. Okay.
Mhm.
I'll do OB53 also. REA is mandatory here. You throw error. Only when you do REA, you can carry forward. I'll just take an example of. I'll take only asset and liability. Okay, so triple line I'll take.
Right. Mhm.
So I'll write this 1002. Okay, so two it's this enough. So once you cover both asset and liability.
Yeah, okay. Mhm. But it can be any balance sheet account,
Yes,
isn't it?
anything you can just. Everything is coming. Okay. Post yes, come everything is coming. Okay. I'll finish document also. Will be this
Tolerance.
we have to finish document type.
Mhm. Document types, there are several existing ones, right?
I'll take example of GL. Or his GL,
Uh,
correct?
yeah, okay.
So because here we have to give number range, so I'll take 0 here.
Mhm.
CSN.
Okay.
I'll take some 0 1 here.
Mhm.
I'll take some 100.
Okay.
One more difference here is you have to do document splitting. It's mandatory here.
Mhm.
And document splitting, T code will not work. So what should you do? Two things. One is document splitting, and you have to create SAP 30. So document splitting T code will not work. So we have to use menu here. So go here.
Okay.
Financial accounting. Not here. We are global shipping. Correct. Parameters. Not not at the menu. There's no T code. This T code will not work actually. You have to use menu. So you have to add this. It's mandatory. Financial accounting,
Mhm.
financial global settings, GL
Okay.
accounting, business transaction here. Copy this one. Classify GL accounts for document splitting. It's mandatory here.
Okay. But then to assign this, like, you need GL accounts in place first, right?
Correct. So now go here. So I'll check my thing. CSL is correct.
Uh-huh.
New entry. Can avoid no need actually go for directly we'll go there. We'll use this one. No need for assignment here. I'll use the state. I'll directly activate here. Instead of classify, you can just directly activate also straight away. I'll go here and
Okay.
activate. Ah,
Without assigning
yes.
the ranges.
I can directly use here. I can just go here, go to the deactivation per company code. It will be here actually. So I can do here straight away. Yes, see here.
Sorry, what is deactivation per company code? But you need to assign the GL ranges for the document splitting, right? So,
Yes, it is not required. If I if I enable here, it will automatically add it there.
okay.
So how do I confirm this? Let's go here. We have a code called SM30. Let's do this. Now watch here.
Uh-huh.
So my table is F underscore B underscore FH. This is not on this table. B underscore
Okay.
FHGL underscore split activate. So once this you enable this, now watch here.
Uh-huh.
Mine will be activated now. See here. Done here. See. These two are mandatory here. You have to. I'll just again show you one more time. Go to activate. This again. This will create issue. Hana, if you're not doing this,
Mhm.
go here. Financial accounting, GL accounting, business transactions,
Mhm.
document
Documents.
splitting. Here, copy this one. Activate document splitting here.
Mhm. Um, the point which I am not very clear is you selected deactivation. So does
Correct.
that mean you are not doing document splitting, or like or
Correct,
you are
right?
not
I see. It is inactive
specifying
here.
it for company code?
In this case, it's inactive here. Correct.
Correct. So
So
there
that's
were ticks
so
earlier.
it's
Ticks were there.
so instead of activating there, I made here itself directly.
Oh, okay.
This works better for HANA.
Right. Okay.
In ECC, we are doing like that, but in HANA, this is the best option.
Okay. Mhm. So it automatically activates it.
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
Clear? So once just go here
Yes.
and confirm
Uh-huh.
this.
Okay.
CSN, select this. See? Done. To confirm this again, what you do is we have a code called SM30. Go here.
Mhm. Mhm.
Go to the table. It's B underscore FHDL
Bundle
underscore
split.
yes, document splitting.
Okay. Mhm.
Now go to display and check
Mhm.
it.
So CSN should be there.
Yes. Done. Got it?
Okay. Mhm.
Any doubts till now today? So today I've showed you two different options. One is I've given you these two options. What are this? One is like we'll see this. We have done
Enterprise structure.
document splitting.
Mm.
So tomorrow we have to carry on with tolerance and we have to go for OBC4, OB4. That's it required actually.
Mhm.
That's some more. I'll just confirm this. So we have finished up to this one.
Mhm.
Uh, we have
So uh, ledgers you will be covering as part of it, like the extension ledger and how it works and
separately.
other
That's
things.
separate, not here. For this, not required.
Not here.
Separately.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. All right. Okay.
Tolerance we have to cover. Then field status where it's required. Then we can post.
Okay. Mhm.
Today, well, I've showed you two options. One was this one. This error, it's mandatory. Like I said, configuring currency
Mhm.
settings using ledger options.
Okay.
This is mandatory. So this you have to then we saw extra OP file 2 options. How to make roles, auth role, correct?
Mhm. Auth group. Yes.
Then this one,
Document splitting.
document splitting. So you have to activate it.
Mhm.
And to confirm this, SM30. Note this correctly. These four are mandatory here.
Okay. Mhm.
And then there was slight change in tomorrow. I'll show you like there's a slight change in field status very group also here, like OB40, OBC4, and OBC5. Okay.
Okay.
So any
Mhm.
doubts still out in today's class?
No, I'm fine as of now. So can you share this recording
They'll,
immediately?
they'll send you. They'll send you.
Okay, because the other
No,
day,
no.
like,
Actually, they once it's done, they have the rights to send you.
all right.
They'll,
Okay,
they'll
I
send
mean,
you.
okay, fine.
So
Because
tomorrow
the
same
other
time.
day they sent it late, so yeah, like yeah, these document splitting thing, I will
You just
just
talk
go
to them.
through what you have
You
said
just
and then I'll
call
do it.
them. You just call them if you want immediately, they'll send you. Okay?
All right. Fine, that's fine.
So we'll
Okay.
try to do our same day then. Bye.
All right. Thanks. Bye.